Hi guys, welcome back to Financial Ninja Japan. Today, I'll be talking about how to create a Rakuten Securities account for NISA 2024. Here's a little bit about my profile. For those interested, please have a look. In this video, you'll learn how to create your Rakuten Securities brokerage account, at the same time to create your NISA account. For those wondering what is NISA, do check out my previous video. Please watch until the end.
First thing first, go to Rakuten Securities official website. Click on Account Registration on any red boxes here. If you already have a general Rakuten account, click the first option. Otherwise, you need to choose the second option to first create a general Rakuten account. Next, this screen should pop out and you could just easily sign in here. Now here it begins. First, choose this option if you are not of Japanese nationality. You are then required to fill in your names in both alphabets and katakana. Here, you are asked to fill in a shorter version of your alphabetic name within 8 characters. In this case, just fill in the maximum 8 characters of your name. For the katakana version, you could fill in up to 18 characters, so most people should be fine here. You are also required to fill in the period of stay on your residence card. Once done, you are good to go. So let's click on the Submit button. The next step will need you to upload your residence card, both front and back. You can just easily drag and drop your photos here. Once successfully uploaded, it should look this way, and we can hit the Submit button. Your names should appear here automatically. The same goes for your gender and date of birth. Then, fill in your residential address here. Next, fill in your mobile number and choose the Do Not Receive option if you do not wish to receive ads or news from them. Here, it will ask you to choose your tax payment method for any profits gained. Choose the first option, as you will not have to file the final tax returns by yourself, but the brokerage will file it on your behalf. This page will ask if you'd like to set up your NISA account. Choose Yes, since this is our main purpose here. It will also ask if this is your first time setting it up, or if you'd like to transfer your existing NISA account from another brokerage. Choose the former if this is your first time. Next, you will be asked if you'd like to open a Rakuten bank account. Choose Yes if you want to, or choose No if you'd like to use your other existing bank account as the source of payment. This page will ask if you'd like to register or set up their other services such as credit card, iDeCo, FX, and margin trading account. Choose No as they are not important, then click the Next button. So here, you will be able to check and confirm all the details you have inputted. Make sure all the information is correct, then hit Next. On this screen, you will be required to agree to the terms and conditions, so click the red box area, click Close, tick the checkbox, and hit Register. Congratulations! You have just completed the registration process of setting up your Rakuten Securities account. You should receive an email from them stating that your login information will be mailed to your residential address. This inspection process will usually take 1 to 3 business days. The email should look like this. After 1 to 3 business days, you should receive another email like this stating that your account registration has been completed, and they will be mailing you your first-time login information and password. This process will take about 1 week. Be sure you are at home to receive this.
Done! That was easy, wasn't it? So once you start your NISA journey, you're on a way to unlocking one of the 5 superpowers the rich have mastered, which is the power of increasing. You can check it out in my previous videos. That's it! If you think this video is beneficial, share it to your friends living in Japan. Hit like or subscribe to my channel, or comment for any questions and topics that you'd like me to talk about. Happy learning, happy investing!